Hi everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to have the last session of Shift 1, Previous Year Questions 2021 examination. Let me see, let everybody enter. Okay, so come on, let's get started. So before starting, let me give a brief introduction about myself. My name is Niharika Bhagtani and I teach on Unacademy Plus platform for Paper 1 and Paper 2 courses. So this is my profile, and if you have not followed me on Unacademy yet, then please follow me on Unacademy. The link is given in the description of this video. And I also take free live classes on Unacademy platform. That is, right now we are doing previous year questions of research aptitude, as you can see the list, and the link of free classes is again given in the description of this video. And we have already completed teaching aptitude. This way we will be completing all the 10 units on Unacademy free platform. All you have to do is, if you are a new learner and you have not attended my classes ever, then use the code NIX28 to unlock the free classes. And Unacademy is conducting a scholarship test that will be on 13th March 4 p.m. So as you can see, that will be just tomorrow, right? So make sure that you attend the scholarship test. If you are a free learner, you will be eligible for amazing scholarships like laptop, tablet, gift vouchers, and again 25% scholarship is also there. So, and one more information, that Unacademy has opened its offline store for the first time in Delhi. So if you want to attend or if you want to visit, then please do the registration. The registration is mandatory to visit the Unacademy store. Here you will get lots of new experiences, new things you will learn, and basically you will meet the new learners, your co-learners also, and your favorite educators also. So make sure you register. The link will be given in the description of this video. Plus, follow me for more classes and exam updates. Here, Unacademy link is there, YouTube link is there, Telegram link is there, where I will be putting the combined PDF of this unit or of this shift 1 previous year question 2021 examination today. So make sure that you get it for free, combined PDF along with the explanation, and my Instagram link is also there, so you can follow me on Instagram also. And this is my referral code that you can use. This is my referral code NIX28 to take Unacademy Plus subscription. You will get 10% discount. Okay, so till now we have completed 7 units in this shift 1. Now remaining 3 units we will be completing. Hello Kalpana, hi Manpreet. Okay, hi everyone. Okay, those who have entered the class, please click on the like button of this video, and come on, let's get started. Question number 1. Question number 1. Which of the following terms, first we are doing banking and financial institution, which of the following norms may not result in the credit risk? What do you think? Good afternoon, Nankumar. Hello, Sushma. Okay. Please tell me answer related to this question. Okay. Great. Which will not result in the credit risk? Okay, I guess this question we have already done in legal aspect. We have already covered in legal aspect of business discussion also, where this question was there by chance. Okay, basically this is banking question where we have covered that which may not result in credit risk, only D option. Remaining 3 points they will cover. We have given like I have given you all the detailed explanation also, right? Very good, very good. That's great. Now second one, that this definitely relates to banking, that is financial crisis takes the form of currency crisis, banking crisis, systematic crisis, or foreign debt crisis. Okay, so the answer is definitely the answer is A, B, and D. That is currency crisis, banking crisis, and foreign debt crisis. Why it's a no for systematic financial crisis? A, B, and D. Okay, so why no for systematic crisis? We'll see what are financial crisis. Basically, they can take form. They can take several forms. Like you can say debt crisis, banking crisis, currency crisis, and or sudden stop crisis, etc. Such kind of crisis may appear. But when we talk about systematic financial crisis, that emerges when problems in one or more banks are serious enough to change the and to have the adverse impact on the real economy. So that's why systematic will be beyond our control. That one we have done this concept, systematic and unsystematic. We have even done this concept in business environment, where systematic risk are not within our control. They are beyond our control. So that's why a normal financial risk may take form of currency crisis, banking crisis, and foreign debt crisis, and then it can be normalized with the appropriate measures. But if it is so severe that it will go to systematic financial crisis, then it will go out of our hands. Okay, so here we just have to eliminate the odd one out. Okay, odd one out. Remaining are within our control, okay, within the bank's control up to a certain extent. Now, which of the following systems, which of the following statements are false regarding the electronic purse? Electronic purse, you have seen, like suppose these are, you can say, premium debit cards provided to the holder, the card holder and all. Okay, so you can consider similar pattern or similar features of electronic purse and debit card, credit card. What do you think? What do you see in a debit card and a credit card? Does it have a retinal pattern verification? Your debit card has a retinal pattern verification. Like, does it check, or does it have the visual recognition? Or you can say ki the electronic purse will will have no risk of bad payment, because we can pay from our account, whether debit or credit. Okay, and method of accepting payment with no cash float to manage and no risk of theft. So now, don't you think which two? Very good, awesome, awesome. I got first answer correct from Misha and Nand Kumar. Very smart. That is false. We have to select only two false statement with where we can see that these two are false. Retinal and visual recognition is not there in our card, in our electronic purse, e-purse, right? So e-purse is you can say it is for better convenience, more secure, authorized transaction, and helpful in planning the budget. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Is correct relating to Indian financial system? You have to select just one statement which is correct. Other than that, सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं. All are saying false. Only one is correct. Let's see. Okay, so what do you think? RBI has a direct supervision over depositories and mutual funds. Oh, if RBI will have a direct supervision, then what will SEBI do on mutual funds and shares? No, na? So this is wrong. Similarly, kindly read the other statements also. What do you think? What should be the answer? Okay, great. Answer is B. Why? Correct answer is B. Monetary control is exercised. Very good, Manpreet. Control is exercised through cash reserve ratio, that is CRR, and SLR. That is because, see, in monetary control, what we do? Monetary control, demand and supply of money, demand and supply of money. It does not, and also changes in the interest rate is also taken care in the monetary control, not in the fiscal. Not in the fiscal. In fiscal, we take care related to, we think about taxation policy, government expenditure. Here, monetary control, it deals with the demand and supply of money. So, CRR and SLR from RBI to commercial banks when they fix rate CRR and SLR. So that will be exercised through monetary control. Right? Okay, why other things are wrong? See, SEBI has the direct supervision on depository and mutual funds. That is the correct statement, not RBI. Then RBI, with the help of quantitative tools, exercises the monetary control in our country. Right? Right? Okay, so this second one was right. Now, uh, primary dealers are RBI registered entities who are authorized in the buying and selling of government securities. Your primary dealers do not mean we people who will invest in the shares, mutual funds, debentures, etc. No. Okay, and an increase in the SLR, sorry, a decrease in the SLR expands the credit creation. Why? Because if we will reduce the SLR, if we will reduce that rate, don't you think there will be more money creation? That yes, interest rate is reduced, so more money creation will be there, so more credit creation will be there. That's why the correct should be, it will expand. Okay, so now next one, Insurance Act, Life Insurance Corporation, Motor Vehicle and Marine Insurance Act. Finally, hello ma'am, बहुत fast right करके, oh my god, oh ho, welcome to class, please take care. Ritu, very good. Manpreet, hello. Sagar, good afternoon, how are you? Please take care. Huh. Insurance, can you match insurance with? I remember the first one, insurance. I also remember LIC. Okay, if it is new for you, let me tell you, because yeah, banking is yet to be done from our side in Unacademy Plus classes, so that we will be starting very soon before your exam. Okay, so the correct answer is C. Okay, C. Insurance Act is what? 1938. Okay, LIC 1956, and Motor Vehicle Act, that is 1988. Marine Insurance Act, that is 1963. Where out of all the four options, Insurance Act and LIC Act, they both are very, very famous years. Very famous. So this you will see again and again. Insurance is a separate part in your banking, just below your banking. Okay. So at least remember these two. If you cannot remember all, at least remember these two. Then also you can give answer. Very good. Very good. Nothing. Okay. Misha, correct. Sagar, correct. Ritu, correct. Okay. Now, next one. Let's see. Arrange the following steps in the logical sequence of operations of the registration of portfolio managers. What do you think? Okay. Should I help you out? Okay. If you want, you can see this, that what should be the starting point. Logical sequence of operation of the registration of the portfolio managers. They want to be portfolio managers. So what should be the steps? What should be the steps? ओके मनप्रीत, आपका वीडियो बहुत पीछे चल रहा है, आई गेस. Because right now, Manpreet, I received your comment insurance, and we are on question number 51. So basically, you can click on that red line and then go forward, 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 and then you can reply. Very good. A should be the first step. We should get prior approval of the SEBI. First of all, we should get an approval from the SEBI, right? Okay. No, no, no. Prior approval should be in the beginning. Then after that, when we will go and get the approval, then they will see, they will check the full profile, creditability, experience, okay, everything. After that, what will be done? Ki ha, okay, when they'll accept ki yes, okay, okay, this is done, then we have to pay fee. Like how we pay exam fee also we pay na, so that I remember. Very good, very good. Okay, पेमेंट विल बी इन द, नो 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 ऋतु, आप एग्जाम देने से पहले पेमेंट करते हैं, राइट? यू पे बिफोर गिविंग एग्जाम. When you fill the form, so your form will be approved. First your form gets approved, right? After that you do the exam payment. After that, some etiquette steps for the redressal for investor grievances will take place, then maintenance, and then abide by the regulations. That will be the last step. Abide by the regulations will be last step. You can see here. You can see an applicant should be a body corporate and shall have an adequate infrastructure. The principal officer shall have adequate knowledge and qualification, and basically these are the things which SEBI checks. Okay, but these are the steps. Like an individual who wants to be portfolio manager shall apply online to SEBI, then apply in form, and then with a non-refundable fee of rupees 1 lakh. So first, just after applying, pay the fees. Okay. Now, so all these steps are given. If you want, you can read these steps. When I will be giving you combined PDF today, I will be giving you combined PDF. Acha, many of you have done banking. Here you can see this is a very very direct and very super easy question. Which of the following statement is true under the Basel I Accord, BCBS, fixed minimum requirement of the Capital Fund for Banks Act? Very good. Kalpana has given correct answer. That is 8% of the total risk weighted asset. Very good. Sagar, second. Yes. Ritu. Okay. Then very good. Sushma and see, in 1988, the capital adequacy ratio, please remember the year also, tier 1 plus tier 2 divided by risk weighted asset, and that should be at least 10%, at least 8% within tier 1 capital, and should weigh at least 4% of the total risk weighted asset. Good, good, good. Manpreet also correct. Now, this is done with banking. Let's go to business environment and international business. Okay, the first question in front of you, that is wealth of nations given by whom? Wealth of nations given by whom? Think, think, think. Okay, I can tell you that principles of political economy and taxation is given by David Ricardo, comparison theory. Remember, comparison. Remaining you tell. Nand Kumar, B, awesome. Wealth of Nations, given by Adam Smith, Adam Smith, Adam Smith. Principle, that is given by David Ricardo. Okay, then principle of population. Population given by whom? By Thomas Malthus. And then Das Capital, Karl Marx. Okay, this you can see here I have written 2-3 lines also. just to know wealth of nation. Rest no idea. So with that, at least you can eliminate. I have heard about political economist taxation also. Okay, no problem. Next question. Acha, this one, please add it in your notes also. All the 4 points. These are first 2 points and these are the next 2 points. Okay, please, Manpreet, Ritu, Nandkumar, Sagar, please add it in your notes. Shahana. Okay, now this one. Logically sequence the following in the process of entering international market. What it outlined in the Uppsala model. Okay. What it is asking, you have to tell the logical sequence. The following. Logically sequence the following in the process of entering the international market. That means, remember, do am I a good teacher kind of thing, and then first we start from what? From exporting, or from domestic, or from establishing foreign sales or foreign product, or ad hoc exports. Very good. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Just tell me the sequence. Finish. Sagar and Ritu have given correct answer first. That is, first we will look for the domestic operations and productions. Awesome. Right. So first domestic, where we have not entered international areas. Okay. After that, we will do ad hoc exports. That means, okay. Let's try 10 units, let's try 50 units, let's try 100 units to test the waters, to test the success rate, ratio, demand, supply of exports, or demand in the foreign market, and the ease of doing the transaction. When that ad hoc, that means irregular, that means occasional exports, they go successful. After that, exporting via independent representative, that means then we become regular in exporting. After that, we establish a foreign sales subsidiary. After that, we go truly what? Transactional. Yes, truly global foreign production and manufacturing. So there we do research and development also in that country sometimes. Very good. Domestic, international, multinational, global, and transnational. So it is exactly that sequences us in a different way, where we can just find out, yeah, this is the first point. Okay, this is the answer. Finish. Okay, Shahana, correct. Very good. Now next one. You can see all the 4 points are written here also. Now, which of the following institutions are included in the World Bank Group? Ooh, this question came in exam also. Okay. Which of the following institutions are included in the World Bank Group? Select. Let me see who gives correct answer first. Clear? Okay. And Sagar has said D. Okay. And Nandkumar has said D. Okay. Kalpana D. Very good. Awesome. 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 See, answer is D, isn't it? Sushma, correct. That is C. First, very good, Ritu. Manpreet, give answer. Yes, IBF to bhai bhai hai, definitely. Ashwati, correct answer. This is IFC. This is IMF. IMF is not there. WTO is not there. Fine, not a part, not a kid. Then Miga is there. Okay. Then IDA is there. Okay, these three are there. And IBRD is also there, kya? Please tell me. IBRD is also there. Okay. And आज ही किया मॉल हाँ very good, very good. So this came in 2021 also, this came in 2020 also. IBRD is also there. One more is there. Morning में we did. Yes, one more is there. All I've written. See, IFC, MEGA, then ICSID. ICSID is written? It's not written. ICSID. These 5 points we have done. You gave wrong answer. Oh. Bhavna, in class you have given correct answer. यहाँ पे wrong answer. क्यों? Now, CSR is continuing commitment by the business to behave ethically and contribute to. You have to select the 3 points that you feel or that you think that they are included in CSR responsibility. We have done activities that contribute to CSR, like that are eligible in the or that are counted in the CSR activity. Political awareness, social security and inclusion, do you think? Or do you think public health, education and literacy? CSR, doing good for the society, for the poor, for maternal health, for literacy, for education, for environment, for like donation, charity, this, that, all these things. All the points were there. Let me see who is giving me correct answer first. Let me see. I am saying it, yes. No. Very good, Bhavna. Amazing. Bhavna has given correct answer to this question. Very good, very good. See, why do you think that gender diversity, profiteering and market counseling should be there? No, it should not be there. Kindly see all the options. See, these are the activities that we have done. In CSR, we have done under CSR activities, company have to compulsory take part in the various activities which are necessary for the welfare of the people of the backward society. So think from that point of view. Also, you can refer to this which I've given in Unacademy Plus also. So first point that was asked as political awareness, social security inclusion. Nah, it was not there. Public health and education and literacy. Let's see. Promote education, literacy. Literacy, is it matching? Yes, of course. Education and literacy, it is matching. Okay, now maintaining ecological balance and protecting environment. Environment point is there. Let's see. Yes, ensuring environment sustainability. Point 4, it is there. Okay, now next is what? Gender diversity. No, it is not there. Profiteering. No. Market controlling. No. Rendering, sponsoring and donating to social and charitable activities. What we are doing? Donating. So here we are contributing to Prime Minister National Relief Fund and we are working towards, we are promoting, we are sponsoring, we are promoting the sports activity by sponsoring it. So these will also come. Protection of national heritage will also come. ठीक है, तो नाम पढ़ के आपने पसंद कर लिए, सही पसंद किए हैं आपने. यही 2021 का क्वेश्चन था. दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज सेइंग कि प्लीज रीड इट 3 times, एटलीस्ट 3 times, फुल लिस्ट. इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. Okay, let me know. Sequence the following in the increasing order of the integration of the member economies: free trade area, economic union, custom union, preferential trade agreements, and common markets. Common markets. What do you think? What should be the correct answer? Let me see who will give correct answer first. I want to know correct answer first in this. A is the correct answer, is it? Or something else? Let me see. Pakka? No. 53. Huh? A is correct. Or something else? C is correct. Awesome. Big clap. Bhavna, Abhishek, Ritu. Amazing. Superb. Answer C is correct. Nand Kumar, answer C is correct. How come? What we have done? What is the first one? Preferential trade agreements. भूल गए, इसे देखा ही नहीं. You didn't see this. You forgot to see this. Preferential trading agreement, PTA. Then After that, as preferential was giving a preference to certain goods from one country or one regional bloc to another country or another regional bloc. Fine. There was reduction in the tariffs, special quotas. That was the first point that we have done here in class. Okay. Then FTA. Then after FTA, CU. Then CM. Then economic union. Then political union. So political union should be in the last. Remember this diagram? Okay, I got it. You got confused between maybe PTA and political union. So for your convenience, please write PTA here and then encircle it. Make a nice PTA, highlight it, and then you will not forget. This was in 2021. So it's like if you have given wrong answer, so you have let go your free K marks. These were free marks. Okay, explanation, difference chart. All charts we have done, 3-4 charts I have given. Now CVD, countervailing duties. Countervailing duties are often imposed on imports to offset what? To offset the impact of what? Think about it. See, these are the additional duties. These are some additional duties which are often imposed to offset the impact of what? Example, we have done in Chinese toys. Last 4 minutes were there in class. Last part. If you can connect. See, dumping is a different concept. Dumping is a different concept. Dumping, it means dumping. That means we are throwing out. Dumping out. That means we are exporting. So here we do not have to relate these two concepts. We have to see okay, we will offset, nullify the effect of imports with what? Imports का effect nullify करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? Import should be equal to what? That one export subsidies. Okay, export subsidies. Okay, you can see. Countervailing duties are the tariff levied on the imported goods to offset the subsidies to produce to the producer of these goods in the exporting country. Basically, if somebody is there outside India, right? Okay, and suppose any country, take any country. Suppose take China. Okay, example. Then they are manufacturing certain goods and they are giving them export subsidies. Yes, okay. The Chinese government will be providing export subsidies. Okay. For 100 rupee product, we are providing you 25 rupees subsidies. So now you will be able to sell very easily outside China in the foreign market in 75 rupees. Now, please tell me one thing. I have a question. In India, suppose in India, if you are getting that product in 100 rupees, Indian product, and you are getting a same Chinese product in 75 rupees. So what a normal customer will prefer, paying 100 rupees or paying 75 rupees? A normal customer like us, do we care that we are purchasing which product? No, usually we prefer paying 75 rupees. Now, do you think this will be beneficial for India? No, this will be you can say this will be destructive. Basically, this will reduce the economy of India because we are doing more and more cheaper imports, so people will be getting some imported goods and paying the rupees outside India. So that will be a wrong thing, right, from the Indian part. Okay, now suppose China is getting that subsidy on 100 rupee thing. They are getting the export subsidy for this product. For them this product is subsidy, so 25 rupees they have got subsidy, so they can sell in 75 rupees. Now Indian market will say, ha, आओ beta आओ, come in India, come in India. Okay, but तुमने सब्सिडी दिया, यू हैव इम्पोज सब्सिडी, हम इस पे टैक्स लगाएंगे, हम इस पे ड्यूटी लगाएंगे, वी विल पुट द CVD, और हम इस पे 25 रुपीज का ही टैक्स लगाएंगे, या फिर प्रेफरेबली हम 30 भी लगा सकते हैं. वी विल पुट 25 to 30 rupees ड्यूटीज ऑन दिस प्रोडक्ट. नाउ यू सेल वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू सेल. Okay, getting it. So now the Chinese product will cost somewhere around 100 to 105. So that is the importance of CVD, that they are often imposed on the imports, see, on the imports, to offset the impact of the export subsidies that the foreign marketers have received to do the export of their product. Understood the concept? चाइना, yes or no? चाइना को जितना भी एक्सपोर्ट का सब्सिडी मिला ना, चाइना के फार्मर्स को, या सॉरी के मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को, कि चलो चलो सस्ते में बेचो बाहर, आउटसाइड चाइना. अब इंडिया ने बोला स्टॉप, हम सस्ती चीज़ें नहीं आने देंगे, अदरवाइज लोग चाइनीज़ प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा प्रेफर करेंगे हमारे इंडियन ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट से, इसलिए हम ड्यूटी ऐड कर देते हैं. दैट विल बी काउंटर वेलिंग ड्यूटी. आओ कंट्री के अंदर आओ, बट विथ ड्यूटी आओ. ओके, सो that was the concept that I've added also in your notes. Please do the difference. And this page also I have added. This will clear out all the examples. Now, following are the problems that are an optimal international diversification problems. What do you think? What are the problems? International diversification problems. You just have to see all the negative points. What do you think? Genie product. Nice. Unfavorable exchange rate movements. Yes, negative point. Okay, frictions in the international market. That means movement, fluctuations in the international market. Of course. Yes. Okay. Then manipulation of security prices. Yes. Negative, unequal access to information. D, all of the above. Our favorite. NTA is so kind in this question. So these are the risks that I've quoted also. You can read after class. Now, in FDI, all are negative points there. Do not overthink. All are negative points. Manipulation of security prices is also manipulation. The word manipulation is a negative point. Just select negative points and do not overthink. Now, to prevent opportunistic takeover of the domestic firms amid COVID-19 pandemic, FDI, foreign direct investment from countries that share border with India is allowed through what? Yes, so all of the above. Do not overthink. Right. Okay. Here in FDI, I told you one point when I was teaching chart also, that there are two routes. One is automatic route and one is government route. If you remember, automatic route is usually used by the private sector where no permission is required. But if the neighboring countries want to do the FDI, don't you think that should be through the government route? FIBP, DPIIT, that though we have not done. Okay, that will be in too much depth. So either automatic for the private sector or government for the public sector, or for proper requirement or for huge investment. So here it is asking, it is not asking about individual, or it is not saying private companies, it is saying from countries that share borders. So whole country, from whole country, big companies or institutions, they want to do the investment. So for that they have to uh, take the government's permission, government route. Okay, डोंट माय ऑप्शन. अच्छा, ओके, आपने क्या बोला? अच्छा, आपने अलग बोला. ओके ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, डेविड रिकार्डो, माइकल पोटर, एडम स्मिथ एंड HO. Please match it. Which is your favorite one? I guess my favorite one are all of the above. 76 B, is it? Sagar has given answer as B. David Ricardo is theory of comparative advantage. Khatam. Okay, acha, two options are there. Then Michael Porter, again comparative we will put. Here Adam Smith, Adam Uncle, theory of absolute advantage, and Hexter Oilen, factor endowment. Two factors, 221, sorry, 221. Okay, two factors, two countries. Okay, now factor condition in Michael Porter's competitive advantage of nation include what? Adam, say you've guessed. Okay, great, great. Now, competitive advantage of nation. So, competition is done by labor. Labor, we'll think from the labor point of view. So it should be D. Very good, Nand Kumar. Skill, labor, and scientific knowledge. So we can do that. We can get the competitive advantage of our nations, which will include the skill, labor, and scientific knowledge. Okay. Okay, how we will be in the competition. Basically, yeah, this you can say a little bit. You can say very, very rare kind of new type of question in business environment. Like the first question was a new one, and this question is a new one, a little bit. Okay, so here you can now Manpreet, Ritu, Nankumar, Abhishek, you all can make you Bhavna, you all can put all the things in your note. This one, Porter's diamond model, just after Porter's 5 force model. Here, Porter's diamond model is different. Ashwati, please write. Hmm? See, your factor condition, when we are saying factor conditions, so that should include what? Specialized worker. Okay, specialized worker. This was the question and this was the answer. All the points you can read. Yeah, yeah, you can take screenshot, definitely, definitely. Now, actually, this is the passage question, but it is really no fun doing passage question here. We will solve the passage question in special class separately. All the passage questions we will take. Now, our last unit of this shift one is business management and HRM. So, let's see. First question. This question is from HRM. This we can give on the basis of our, you can say, our general thinking. What do you think? What do you think? What should be related to extroverts? Sorry, what should be related to extroverts? What should be related to consciousness, emotional stability, openness to experience? See, see, If you have not done, let me help you out. Openness to experience. Can we say that the people who are openness to experience, they are very curious and creative, isn't it? They are very curious and creative, intellectual, imaginative, and artistic, sensitive. And if we talk about extrovert, one are introvert, and one are ambivert, which are the combination of extrovert and introvert. Like if you say, like suppose me, I'm an ambivert. Okay, ambivert. Okay, so now extrovert will be more talkative, assertive, sociable, outgoing, isn't it? Okay, yes or no? No, wait. Sorry. Right. Sorry, huh? Yeah. Extrovert should be more talkative, assertive, sociable, outgoing. So what you have clicked? Option B. See कहाँ से लाए? Sagar have given correct, Kalpana correct. B. A कहाँ से लाए? अरे, we were doing now. D का 3. So D का 3 is either in B or in D. So now A का 2. A का 2 is only here and here, which is most matching. Only this one. Okay, now please read the remaining ones also. Consciousness. Consciousness relates to self discipline, people, hardworking, conscious. Emotional stability. That will be emotionally stable. Stability is more in their personality. That is, they are usually calm, happy, secure. मैम इंस्टा पर मीम्स आते हैं इंट्रोवर्ट्स के। अच्छा हाँ, नहीं तो आई एम नॉट इंट्रोवर्ट, ऐसे शर्माते नहीं है। ओके हाँ, तो आप यू सी दैट वेदर यू आर एक्सट्रोवर्ट, इंट्रोवर्ट और एम्बीवर्ट। अच्छा, एंड तक नहीं पढ़ी, कोई बात नहीं। सो यस, ऑल दीज आर 5 थिंग्स दैट you will study in HRM. Okay, now the principles of management have the following distinct feature. I'm sure you will be able to solve this. You have done principles of management in yesterday's class, morning class. What do you think? Principle of management. It will include what? Flexibility, universal application. Principles are relative, not absolute, and it is based upon situation. So universal application, that means pervasive. Okay, kind of that it is saying pervasive. So what do you think? What should be the correct answer? Come on, give me correct answer. Come on. Principle of management. Yesterday you have done. Sagar, correct. Awesome. Kalpana, correct. Awesome. Answer is all of the above. Your favorite one. That is, yes, they are flexible. Yes, they are pervasive. Yes, they are relative. And yes, it is situational. All of the above. Okay, if you have given wrong answer or if you have any doubt, I would request you please revise Friday's class before joining Monday's class. Monday will be our second class in Unacademy Plus related to business management and HRM. These all points we have done. All we have done. Features, you remember these were there, that universal applicability, general guidelines, and experiment and observation. They are formed by experimental and observation based on cause and effect, behavioral in nature, contingent, flexibility. All these were there. Some of them were explained also. Now, firm characteristics that help managers identify core competencies include core competency. Okay. See, you just have to, what you have to do? Just smart approach. Whether you have done this question or not, you have not done, I am sure, because we will be studying in the upcoming week in Unacademy Plus. See, just eliminate the negative point and you will get answer. Potential access to wide variety of markets. Yes. Significant contribute to perceived customer benefits. Yes. Positive, positive, positive. Value accretive and non-competitive. Oh हो ये तो negative हो गया. Here we have to exclude. And distinctive and difficult for the competitors to imitate. See, difficult word is there, but this is not a negative word. Difficult for the competitors, for our rival firms to imitate. That means to copy us. If we will make it difficult for them to copy us, then it will be positive thing for us. So A, B ka D, 1, 2 ka 4 is our answer. That means answer is C. Very good. Nankumar, Misha, Abhishek, Kalpana, Manpreet, Bhavna and Ashwati have given correct answer. It should be competitive. Now delegation is an interpersonal transaction based on the behavior analysis. Is it? Acha, without competition, no fun. Right. Definitely. Delegation is an interpersonal transaction based upon behavior analysis. Do you think it is right? Behavior. With behavior, we will delegate. Acha, it is evolutionary and development process which needs encouragement and reinforcement. Out of them, at least one is right. Statement 2 is more affirmative, more right. So definitely, 4 का 4 2 का 1. अच्छा. Okay, so answer will be D. Now, the advantages of incentive payments are such payments which you give, like you can say some additional payments, bonus to your employees. Why you give bonus to employees? So that you can encourage them, so that they can commit less mistake, so that they should require less supervision, so that they should be less absent. They should be morally boosted, like moral boost. So what do you think, which 2 points fit the answer? 2 points. Awesome. Sagar has given correct answer. It should be option B. That is, we will do better utilization of the equipment. We will not do any wasteful activities. We will not keep it idle because we employees are motivated enough right now. Okay, and we will reduce the absenteeism and turnover. That means leaving the company. Absenteeism, we will not be absent. So these 2 points are yes. Increase scrap, this is a negative point. And ease in the introduction of new machine, it has no relation with the question. Why? Because if we employees are getting more and more money, how it or what it has to do anything with the introduction of the machines in the फैक्ट्री. अगर हमें ज़्यादा पैसा मिल रहा है तो उससे मशीन्स के इंट्रोडक्शन करने में क्या फ़र्क आ जाएगा? कुछ भी नहीं. क्या हमें ज़्यादा मशीन अच्छे से लगानी आएगी? नो, फॉर दैट वी नीड ट्रेनिंग. ओके, वी डोंट नीड मनी, वी नीड ट्रेनिंग. बट हाँ, अगर मशीन सेटअप हो चुकी है, इफ़ मशीन इज़ ऑलरेडी सेटअप, तो क्या हम उसे बेटर यूटिलाइज कर पाएंगे? यस. वाई? क्योंकि हम मोटिवेटेड हैं. बिकॉज वी आर मोटिवेटेड. हम कम एब्सेंट रहेंगे, हमें सुपरविजन की कम रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी. वी नीड लेस सुपरविजन हियर. Okay, that's why B and C will be the answer. See, reduce supervision, better utilization, reduce lost time, reduce absenteeism and increase output. These are the points. Now, which among the following is not a primary determinant of organizational structure? You might have heard about at least 1 or 2 points. Organizational structure, you have heard about chain structure, that is in a single strand from manager to second level, third level and then the last level employee. Yes, you have heard about span of control. You have done in yesterday's class as well. Narrow span of control, wide span of control, depending upon the size of organization. So this is there. Capacity and lower needs, I have never heard about this. Now, power and control, it depends upon the power that you can exercise and the control, how much control you can do. So organization structure will be set up. accordingly. And differentiation and integration, it deals with what? The decentralization and the centralization. That's why B is the odd one out here. Getting it? Very good. हाँ, differentiation integration होता है, definitely होता है. Why? देखो, it means you can, it refers to the business separates itself into key components, like you can see na decentralization. We have taken the example of big large family or joint family, and then little kids, they are like, suppose one kid is living in Bangalore, one is living in Pune, one is living in Delhi. Okay, so that is what, that is differentiation. Okay, and integration, how they come together and join all the components. Okay, you can relate, Sagar, you can relate the differentiation and integration both with what? With what? With decentralization and centralization also. हाँ, यहाँ पे आप देखो सागर, आप मुझे बताओ कि कैपेसिटी एंड लोअर नीड्स के बेसिस पे आप कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर इमेजिन कर सकते हो क्या? कैन यू इमेजिन? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. I can imagine a chain, I can imagine a span, an organization in the form of span. I can imagine on the basis of power, less power, more power, less control, more control. I can imagine differentiation, that means segregated units. I can imagine integration, that means combined and working together. All units combined working together. But I cannot imagine lower needs or lower capacity or higher capacity. Hana? Okay, that's why you can see differentiation and integration from here also. Now, yes, clear? Awesome. Now, arrange the following characteristics of the stages of group development in the increasing order. Okay, some of you have done group development. Let me give you a hint. It was norming, performing, storming, this, that. 5 steps were there, if you remember. So first, in the first step, if you detect first step, it is E or D. And if you detect last step, that it is C or B, then your answer will be clear. What should be the first step? Members are moderately eager, have positive expectation, anxious about why they are there, and other members are, or they will start conflict. Aate, they will start conflict. No, na, they will not start conflict in the beginning, right? So first step should be E. E. Then what should be the last step? It should be B or C. C is members are highly task oriented and there is unity in the group. And B is it includes recognition for the participation and achievement. So B fits well. Yes. We have taken example of Chak De India movie in class. So this we will be doing in business management and HRM also, forming, storming, norming, performing and adjourning. Don't worry if you have not done. Join class. Business management we have already started 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. on Unacademy Plus. From Monday, this class will also continue. Business management and HRM. Yes, achievement will come in last. That will be in adjourning. Like how in Chak De India Abhishek, last, they achieved trophy, right? In starting, they said hi, hello, and then there was a fight. Then there was norming it out. Then they were performing, they were focusing, and after that, they achieved, right? Okay, now. People repeat behavior that brings them satisfaction and pleasure and stop those that bring them dissatisfaction or pain is known as what? They repeat. Now let me tell you, law of redo is not there. Law of exercise is there, law of effect is there, and law of readiness is there. Okay. Yes, they achieve the trophy, right? Okay. Now, law of exercise is there, law of effect is there, and law of readiness is there. What do you think? What you should mark? कि हाँ, people are repeating their behavior. फिर से they are repeating. See, this is not the answer. Okay, so that हम उसका effect दे सकें, so that we can see the effect of that, the result of that, so that it will bring some of the satisfaction. Repeat, so that it will give us satisfaction and pleasure and stop those that bring them dissatisfaction or pain, is known as what? Awesome. That is law of effect. If we will redo all the things, then we will see the effect. Okay? We will redo all the things that we like, then we will see the effect. Now, see, law of effect is like, it is like, it is strengthening when, law of effect is strengthened when accompanied by a pleasant or satisfying feeling, and law of effect is weakened. It is not learning, it's learning and learning. Here also it is learning, okay, associated with unpleasant feeling. So learning takes place properly when it results in satisfaction and learner derives pleasure out of it. So in our studies also we need to see the law of effect. बार बार पढ़ के, when we will make the topic very very convenient, easy and interesting for us by coloring it, spending time with it, then we will see the law of effect. It will give us satisfaction and happiness. Law of exercise is what it is. The things are more or often repeated that are best remembered. Students do not learn the complex tasks in a single session. Like, if you have seen business environment, maybe we were breaking regional blocks and IMF WTO. एक सेशन में we in one session we have done regional blocks. एक सेशन में हमने regional blocks किए, एक सेशन में हमने सिर्फ IMF and WTO पे फोकस किया. So when we took these sessions separately, there your exercise was better comparatively. Okay, and law of readiness. Your learner try their best physically, mentally, emotionally, ready to learn, and they do not learn if they say no reason of learning. So it should be connected. If somebody will give you science syllabus, you will not learn. But if somebody will give you commerce syllabus, you will learn. These are all the examples that you can refer. Now, the basic method of valuing human asset is what? Human asset is what? Basic method. Basically, see, the question is from HRM. Like, suppose we put some money in human assets, na? Like employing them, like selecting them, recruiting cost, then uh, training them, training cost, retaining cost, recreation cost. So all these cost, all these money that is already invested, the financial like the finance that is invested, we cannot touch these things. These are just process, these are intangible. So please tell me that what should be the basic method of valuing these intangible process? 86 be elapse with time. Very good, very good. So answer is amortization, because see, the reason is human asset, you can say human expertise, it get increase, but the money that we have invested one time in this activity जो हमने इसमें invest करी, that at least that huge cost, at least we have to amortize. That this process we cannot touch, we can just feel the difference. That's where amortization. So here there is historic method or amortization method. I've highlighted some things and I've written the limitation also, and that's it. Bingo, you've completed the Shift 1 Paper 1 PYQ 2021. Now, of commerce. So this was the last question. Now remaining passage we will be doing in the special classes. So to get the information, please join the Telegram channel. If you have not joined, combined PDF will be given on Telegram channel. I teach paper 1 and paper 2 both on Unacademy Plus platform. So if you want to take plus subscription on Unacademy platform, I teach all paper 1 and paper 2, all 20 units on Unacademy platform. So you can use my referral code to take the subscription. Link is given in the description of this video. You can also see here my profile, and here are all the units, all topics, all 20 units you can see. Okay, now today we are having again free class from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. that will be research aptitude. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please collect your combined PDFs from Telegram till tonight. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay, bye. Please like this video and